Hi everybody, here's number 2. So you were asked to construct a triangle with side lengths x and y and an included angle with the measurement of angle z. So remember, this is one of the criteria for proving triangles congruent. The only way that we know that this triangle will be unique to another that's made is if the side and the other side sandwich that angle in. So that angle is being included between the sides. When you're asked to construct it, you've got to kind of think, where are you going to start? You know that the angle has to sit in between the two sides, so let's take a look. If you look at my construction, you will see that I took the segment X and I just kind of left that alone. I decided to build off of it. It is your choice on the test as to whether you'd like to build off of one of your sides or if you would like to then go ahead and first take the segment, copy the segment somewhere else so that you have a very clean place to work. Totally up to you. But I just decided to go ahead and put it onto segment X. So I started with segment X and I decided to copy angle Z onto it. So you will see here, if you're looking at the screen, here's my segment that I started with. I swung my convenient arc first on angle Z and then over here off of X. And then I took and I measured with my compass in between those two rays of Z to make sure that I could find how wide that opening should be. And then I came over here and I did the same thing. Wherever that kind of cross in space occurred, I took my straight edge and I just drew a long line out from that endpoint of X. So now I have copied angle Z. From there, I'm going to go ahead and copy the segment Y, but I have to copy segment Y onto the second ray of the angle. That's the only way to make sure that angle Z is actually included between line X and line Y. So if you notice on my paper right here, I went ahead and I copied segment Y, and then all I was left to do was construct just a line with my straight edge from that point of intersection over to the second endpoint of X. By doing so, I've actually created a triangle that has side X, included angle Z, and side Y. Now, if you look down to B, it's going to ask you a question. Explain whether the sides having the given included angle can be used to construct more than one triangle or a triangle that is different from the one you created. Remember, with the triangle criteria, the whole point of what we've been doing in this topic with all of our Exploragons, with all of the construction materials, it's realizing that there is only one unique set of triangles that can be built. So in order to answer this, I went ahead and I said, no, I can't construct more than one triangle because SAS is one of the criteria used to prove triangle congruence. That means that there is only one unique set of triangles that can be formed with two sides and an included angle. That's the key, included angle. Once constructed as SAS, the third side would have to be a precise measurement in order to form that triangle. Hence, you only have that one set of unique triangles that are going to be congruent to each other. Good job. Move on to number 3.